Hi folks, Mike Reed from tradestalker.com with a quick recap from Thursday, August the 26th, 2017. Today's a day where setups weren't exactly by the support resistance numbers, but actually some price patterns and the way the market was acting. So here's where this was yesterday's trend down and then trend back up. We closed on the bounce back high of the day right here, and now on Thursday we had a higher open. We were expecting early strength to be sold into to set up a shorting opportunity. They ran up and they stalled out here after at the 20 minutes into trading, stalled out, and now when they started to come down, this is a hot knife through butter. They came right down through this zone with no sign of a stall or a turnaround. So unless you had just a target there as for whatever reason, then you could still be in this trade, and it's still going with no sign of a stop until we came down and went just under this support to excuse me, to this was yesterday's close at 58.5, and it came down to 57.25, I believe. Then they turned right back up, and they're going straight up, and they came up to this resistance, just like, again, like a hot knife through butter. We were looking like we were going to stall out again. All of a sudden we had a poke right up to resistance, what I gave at yesterday's high, and it was 65 level. They popped up there, and you can see this I should call it a doji or a dragonfly or whatever. There's a number in it. It's a doji to me. Anyways, this is a reversal pattern, and what we got from here was another move down to the 58.5, which was yesterday's close. This is a support by itself, and this was a resistance by itself. Okay, then we came back up here. When we got up here, we're normally in a good market. We were looking for this. You look for this hold to hold, and then to make another move up here. But this was a we were range bound, and felt that this was the high of the day. This is a stalling out here, and in this range. Once they broke here, you see they broke hard. Came right down again, 58.5. Made a little double bottom here. This bounce back did have a little stall here. This did come into play when we stalled here, backed away, stalled in little pop-ups here. And then we got a pretty steady move down again to 58.5 before a little bounce, and then some chopping around here into the close. I see we closed right in this zone here. So this is a day where it didn't go exactly by the numbers. The high was at a single number at 65, and then 58.5 is a single number that we use as a support area. So this is a day again where wasn't a big range, but there's sideways action, and there's plenty of opportunities. There's a couple ebook setups in here, and also the updates were giving good new dynamic support and resistance, along with how the market was acting, how we should trade the market. So that's it for today. Hope you have a good evening and good trading on Friday.